Today we'll talk about how can you face this problem on your Play Store app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here until you're looking for Play Store app. Just click on search, then here at Play Store app, it's going to show for you like this here. So it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here it's going to work with you like you see now on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.